Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make pattern in Photoshop. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Okay, the first step would be to click on New File. Here, we will change the size, we will set it to 200x200, and we'll bring the logo or whatever we want to the project. We put it in the middle, click here, Solid Color, and you will put the color that you want. Now right-click here, Duplicate Layer. Go to Filter, Other, Offset. In horizontal, put 90. In vertical, set it to 90. Now right-click here, Delete Layer. And the same with the blank sheet. Now select this layer and go to Edit. Define Pattern and give it any name you want. Then go to File, New, and create a project with the size you want. Go to here, Solid Color, click here, and then click on FX, Blending Options, Pattern Overlay, and choose the pattern we created. And in scale, we will increase or reduce it until it looks good. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.